I don't want anyone to see the messages on my phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to Techvole. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech tips. Today, I'll show you how to hide your message notifications from the lock screen, quick and easy. Let's get into it. 1. Open Settings on your phone. 2. Go to the Apps section. 3. Find and tap on Messages. 4. Now go to Notifications. Here, you can choose how your messages appear when your phone is locked. You can even turn off message previews completely, so when your phone is on the table, no one can see your notifications. Appreciate you being here. A like and a sub would mean a lot and really help the channel grow.